Thanks for choosing amFilm Ultra to protect your phone. Here, we're going to show you how to install the screen protector. Always begin by cleaning the screen with the provided wet and dry wipes. Step 1. Turn off your device and apply the leveling pads on the back of the phone. This will keep the phone level during installation. Step 2. Place the application tray on your phone with the open cut on the top of the phone. Take great care to ensure that the phone is fully inserted into the application tray. You will be able to see these 4 pins on the inside of the tray. They need to be in direct contact with the phone screen. Step 3. Peel one of the speaker stickers from its film and place it over the device speaker through the open cut mentioned in the previous step. This prevents adhesive from entering your device's speaker during installation. Step 4. Press firmly so that the tab adheres to your speaker. Step 5. Find a flat surface for the installation process. Since liquid glue is going to be used, it is important that the surface is completely level. You can use the bubble level in the packaging. The bubble will be centered when level, to make sure that your surface is flat. Clean your device's screen before proceeding. Step 6. Insert the plastic pin in the slot at the bottom of the tray, opposite of the speaker protecting tab. Step 7. The application tray will come pre-installed with absorption pads to soak up any excess adhesive. Please make sure they are securely installed on both sides of the tray. Step 8. Remove the red cap of the adhesive tube and hold it directly over the middle of the device, with the open end facing downwards. Step 9. Unscrew the other end of the tube to release the adhesive. Make sure the adhesive is being poured directly onto the middle of the device. You can tilt the phone in any direction to make sure the adhesive is directly in the middle. Step 10. Remove the mask film from the screen protector and place the top edge of the screen protector on the phone and the bottom edge on the plastic pin. It is extremely important that the screen protector be within all 4 pins of the application tray. Step 11. Slowly pull the pin from Step 5 so the protector lowers and gradually touches the adhesive. Once the screen protector makes contact with the adhesive, quickly finish pulling the pin out. Step 12. Place the metal cylinder on the fingerprint scanner. This is located nearly an inch from the bottom of your device. Allow the adhesive to spread automatically, and note that this can take up to 2 to 3 minutes, and in some instances even longer, but during this process, do not touch the screen protector or the cylinder. The adhesive will spread by itself. Step 13. Plug in the UV light and prop its legs outward and suspend it over the phone for 15 seconds on the top, middle, and bottom sections. Step 14. Remove the cylinder from your device and use the UV light to cure the area where the cylinder was for an additional 30 seconds. Step 15. Repeat the curing process from Step 13 for intervals of 60 seconds on the top, 60 seconds on the middle, and 60 seconds on the bottom. At this point, the application process is finished. You can remove your phone from the application guide and remove the speaker protecting tab. Step 16. If you registered your fingerprint before applying the screen protector, the fingerprint on file may no longer work. We recommend rescanning each fingerprint twice to ensure optimal accuracy. Thank you so much for choosing amFilm, and we hope that you love your screen protector.